NANATHESAUCYCHEF. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel.
Saucy in the kitchen, who wanna eat? It's about to go down, you can have a seat. She can't be duplicated, don't hold your breath. Let's get to cooking with the Saucy Chef.
Y'all hungry yet?
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Nana, the Saucy Chef. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make restaurant style crispy honey chicken. I'll be showing you the ingredients in 3 parts. For the chicken, we're going to need 1 pound of chicken breast, and you want to cube it. 3 tablespoons of water, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of garlic powder, and 1/2 teaspoon of ground black pepper. For our honey sauce, we're going to need 3 tablespoons of honey, 5 tablespoons of ketchup, 1/4 cup of sugar, 3 tablespoons of water, and 1/4 teaspoon of sesame seeds. And finally, for our batter, we're going to need 3/4 cup of all-purpose flour, 1/2 cup of cornstarch, 2 tablespoons of baking powder, 1 egg, 2 tablespoons of canola oil, 1/2 cup of water, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and 1/8 teaspoon of garlic powder. To our chicken, we're going to add in our garlic powder, our salt, our ground black pepper, and also our water. Now you want to mix it together until it's well combined. Now for our sauce, you want to add in your ketchup to a small bowl, your sugar, your honey, and also your water. Just want to mix it until it's well combined. Once you're done, you can set that aside along with your chicken. Now for our batter, we're going to get a bowl. We're going to add in our all-purpose flour, our cornstarch, our baking powder, your garlic powder, and your salt. We're going to mix that until it's well combined. Now we're going to add in our water. You also want to add in your egg, and we're going to mix that until it's well combined. Once that's combined, you want to add in your 2 tablespoons of canola oil, and we're just going to mix that until it's nice and smooth. Your batter should look like this. Now we're going to begin to add our chicken into our batter. Once you have all your chicken in your batter, all you want to do is mix it until every piece is well coated. Now to a wok or frying pan, you want to add your oil and let it come to temperature. Now you want to add your chicken to the oil, and you want it to cook for 1 minute, and we're going to fry them in batches. After 1 minute, you want to remove them from the oil and add in your next batch. Now we're just going to repeat the process. Okay guys, this is my third batch. Now we're going to add all of our chicken back to our pan and let it fry for 4 minutes. So we're going to let them get nice and golden brown. Okay guys, after 4 minutes, you see they're nice and golden. So we're going to go ahead and remove them. And we're going to set them to the side. You can turn off your heat. Okay guys, look how delicious that chicken looks. So now we're going to move along and we're going to heat up our sauce. Okay guys, in a heated saucepan, I'm going to add in our sauce. And we're going to let that heat up for a minute or so. You want your pan to be on low heat. Now we're going to begin to add our chicken in. Once you added your chicken, we're just going to go ahead and move the pieces around in the sauce until they're well coated. Okay guys, once your chicken is well coated, we're going to add in a little bit of our sesame seeds on the top. How beautiful that is. Now you can plate it. Okay guys, so here we have it, our restaurant style crispy honey chicken. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please come back. Please like and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching. Feel free to leave a comment. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. And until next time, this is Nana, the Saucy Chef. Y'all hungry yet?
Thank you for following.